This is how to fix Corsa Rally problem. For the first method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA and then select this NVIDIA app appearing. If you don't have it, just go to their official website and then you can download it from there. Now go to drivers in the left menu and then make sure to select download or install in order to update your graphics card driver. Make sure to sign up with an account or log in with your existing one. After that, go to settings. Make sure to switch off this NVIDIA overlay. Now it's done. For the second method, go to the search and type in device manager. Open this one. Now go to display adapters appearing and then select your graphics card like this. Right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and click close. For the next method, go to the Windows icon and then select settings. Now go to Windows Update. After that, make sure to select this download and install all. Even if you do have failed or pending updates, select retry all. It is a very important step. Once done, go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now you will find this Task Manager appearing, so go to the search and type in Steam. You will most likely find the Steam process running in the background, so make sure to right click on it and select in task. You need to keep these percentages of the memory and CPU below 100% in order to prevent any issue or freezing. So make sure to scroll through all of these processes and terminate any useless one. Next, wait for a couple of moments and then relaunch the game launcher. Go to the Steam logo top left corner, check for Steam client updates first of all. After that, go to settings. Now go to in-game and make sure to switch off the Steam overlay. Try that. After that, go to downloads and make sure to clear cache and click on confirm. Now go to storage, select the right drive. After that, click on this settings button and click repair library. Once done, go to the view option and select library. Select the game that you want. The game must be installed, but I'm going to show you using this one. So once you select it, click on this gear icon and then click on properties. Go to install files and select verify integrity of game files. It will verify the original files of the game and it will start automatically by downloading any missing or corrupted ones, so don't panic in that way. All you have to do is to make sure to wait for the process to finish till the end. After that, hopefully the problem is fixed. If you do find this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, share the video if you want, and see you on the next one.